Oh, it may whack, fall the dough, fall the diddly idle. Oh, it may whack, fall the dough, fall the diddly idle. As I roved out through Galway town to seek for recreation, on the 17th of August, my mind being elevated, there was multitudes assembled with their tickets at the station. My eyes began to dazzle, and I going to see the races with me whack, fall the dough, fall the diddly idle. It's there you'll see confectioners with sugar sticks and dainties, and lozenges and oranges and lemonade and raisins, and gingerbread and spices to accommodate the ladies, and a big crew bean for threepence to be picking while you're able with me whack, fall the dough, fall the diddly idle. You all know what the crew beans are, of course. The pig's feet. They were the original fast food of Ireland. They were fast before they were cooked, and they were fast after it, my God. They were a great standby at the races. We used to go to the races down the Strand in Tramore, and when crew beans had been rolled around in the sand for a little while, there was a great crunch off them. We had the back of your teeth for a week. We always boiled them up with for about 11 hours. I don't know why we call them fast food. In very salty water. We always left a little bit of the hair on them, about an inch for decoration. And a little bit of the dirt in between the two toes for flavouring.
Talking about roughage.
And for some mysterious reason, they were always served up in last week's newspaper. I don't know why that was. But it was great because the headlines used to stick to the back of the grease, you know. And it was very educational. There was reading and eating in it. It was great. It's there you'll see the pipers and the fiddlers competing, and the nimble-footed dancers, and they tripping on the daisies. There was others crying cigars and lights and bills for all the races, with the colours of the jockeys and the price and horses' ages. With me whack, fall the dough, fall the diddly idle. It's there you'll see the jockeys, and they mounted on so stately, the blue, the pink, the orange and green, the emblem of our nation. When the bell was rung for starting, all the horses seemed impatient. I thought they never stood on ground, their speed was so amazing. With me whack, fall the dough, fall the diddly idle. There was 500,000 people there of all denominations, the Catholic, the Protestant, the Jew and Presbyterian. There was yet no animosity, no matter what persuasion, but bulging hospitality in juice and fresh acquaintance. With me whack, fall the dough, fall the diddly idle. And with me whack, fall the dough, fall the diddly